Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to change preferred currency on Airbnb. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.com. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here, scroll down a little. Then you will see an option for Global Preferences. Click on Global Preferences. Under Global Preferences, you will see a section for Preferred Currency. Beside it is an Edit button. Click on Edit. On the field provided, you will see a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow to show the currency options. From the options provided, click on the currency you wish to use. Then click on Save. That's how you change your preferred currency on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.